Day 2 na ngayon ng round 2 and medyo na-late tayo ng isang araw dahil marami tayong mga ginagawa. Pero here we go. Let's watch the 3 performances sa araw na to. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bakit nga ba
si Vinso?
puso pag nagmamahal na ay sadyang nakapagtataka?
Grabe yung storytelling niya, no?
Ang bawat sandali lagi nang may ngiti dahil langit ang nadarama.
Ala!
Para bang ang lahat ay walang hangganan dahil sa tamis ng nararanasan. Kung mula sa puso ay tunay nga ganyan.
Wow! Grabe yung storytelling niya talaga. As in, very effective.
Init ng pag-ibig ating pagsaluhan. Kung mayroong hahadlang, di ko papayagan. Kung mula sa puso ay tunay nga ang ganyan. Nais ko'y ikaw ang laging yakap-yakap, yakap na sana'y walang wakas.
Grabe, no?
Sana'y laging ako ang iniisip mo sa maghapon at sa magdama. Init ng pag-ibig ating pagsaluhan. Kung mayroong hahadlang aking paglalaban, kung mula sa puso ay tunay ngang ganyan. Kung mula sa puso ay tunay ngang ganyan.
May part na medyo nag-alanganin siya and may parts din na instead of sustained, napuputol dahil parang nagkikwento kasi siya yun yung style niya. But it was really good. Effective siya sa storytelling. Alam na yung next. Oh, si H. Wow, this song. There's no easy way. Sobrang bagay ng tone niya sa song na to.
But there are times the best is not the girl, and no matter how you try to be kind, there is always still a part of you you leave behind.
Oh, freak! Galing!
When it falls apart, there is no
Check it out. Effortless, my gosh!
She got me angry, make me feel like a giddy child. But I realize I never was her style. I wanted her to hurt me, and I treat me
Extended.
like a friend.
Wow. Changed it.
Falling off my knees to ask her back again. But she held the line, I let it in. Oh, what a lady. I thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me
Wow.
I guess she understood.
Binago niya.
Cause the silence on me everything she could not say.
Ooh, dang.
It falls apart. It's just so easy to make. And there's just no
Ooh.
easy way. There's no easy way to break it.
Wow.
Somebody's heart.
Sustain. Siguro. Grabe, may blue note yung kulot-kulot niya doon sa pababa. Magaling. Love You Stone also. Mary Kem, Stone Cold. Yeah, Stone Cold to. Fierce yung aura niya.
You see me standing, but I'm dying on the floor. Stone cold. Baby, if I don't cry, I won't feel anymore. Stone cold, baby. God knows I tried to feel. Stone cold, stone cold. You're dancing with her while I'm staring at my phone. Stone cold, stone cold. I was your amber, but now she's your shade of gold. Stone cold, baby.
Wow. Ooh.
God knows I tried to feel happy for
Key change.
you.
Wow.
Know that I am, even if I can't understand. I'll take a pain, give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it through. If I
Wow, effortless. Oh my gosh.
for you, don't wanna be stone cold. I wish I could mend
Let's go.
this, but here's my goodbye.
Key change ulit. Oh my gosh.
I'm happy for you. Now that I am,
Taas.
even if I can't understand. If
Ooh, dang. Oh, taas. Oh my God. A5 ba yun? Ang taas. Grabe. Wait, let me check. Yeah, A5 na. Oh my gosh. Bilang lang sa Pilipinas ang nakakaabot ng A5 talaga, no? I mean, usually G5 hanggang G5 lang, F5. Mataas na kasi yun eh. Pero A5, and binelt niya, sobrang hirap ng ginawa niya dito. If I have to choose, no, kung sino ang mananalo sa kanilang tatlo, hindi ko alam kung sino nanalo sa kanilang tatlo. Pero I would have to say, I would go sa performance ni Mary Kem. And konti na yung lamang niya doon kay H. Si H kasi, dahil sa sobrang mataas din yung range niya, medyo wala na ring weight yung sa bandang dulo ng song na hinahanap ko. Pero tone-wise, napakaganda ng tone ni H. Bagay na bagay sa song na to. Yung bigat lang yung hinahanap ko na usually narinig ko sa mga singers na kumakanta ng song na to. And yun, kaya napili ko si Mary Kem dahil mas na-convince ako sa performance niya, yung emotions nandun, yung difficulty nandun. On the other hand, si Vensor, actually, I super love him. It's just that sa round na to, medyo mahirap yung mga kalaban niya dahil magagaling, matataas yung range. Actually, Vensor has a very good range also, pero mas nag-focus siya more on the storytelling of his performance, and I actually loved it. So, ganun talaga, kanya-kanya lang tayo ng diskarte minsan. And sometimes it works, sometimes hindi nag-work. So, ganun talaga ang gulong ng buhay. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was my reaction. See you again bukas for another reaction for Tawag ng Tanghalan Grand Resback. Bye.